basically don't know the first thing about anything, but pretty sure that's Shinto or Shintoism. Dang it, see? Told you. Janelle, would you like to hear a fun fact about Japan that you probably already know since you lived here? There's, actually, I don't know if you know. Do you know? Okay, well, what was it then? Exactly. Exactly. You might know, though. I don't know if you know, because you're a kid, yeah. But, wait, how old were you?
Toddler.
Okay, so you might not know. They actually have 2 alphabets.
I know that.
One's for their words and one's for foreign words.
Yes.
You knew that? You're a smart toddler. That or you just walk in. What do you got for sale? Oh, candied everything. Candied blueberries. Not sure what that is. Peels, apricots, orange. Blood orange. Is that tomatoes? Candied tomatoes? That's wild. Candied chestnuts, mango. I think it's apple. What is that?
Sample these.
Oh, that's the plum that they put into. Yeah. That one just says good. The plum that they put in wine, whatever plum wine. Not sure. It's pine nuts candied. Everything candied. I just tried the tomato. It is good. What is that? Beans? Lima beans. Candied. What do they think of next? Have you just washed your hands?
Like a ton of teenagers just do this.
Oh, that's it?
It's a cleansing ritual, I guess, because it's like, you know, like in India, you wash your feet before you go in.
Is it really cold?
It's cold.
In case you didn't get enough stairs the other day, here's like a bunch more.
That was only 500.
That was only 500, you're right. That's really cool. That is a big boy. Can we go over here? This is cool. Sugoi means awesome, right? I am fluent. Oh, we should go up there.
Okay.
Looks like we ditched Adam by accident. Oh well. Sugoi! No. Ooh, they're burning something. It's part of the ritual. Fun. It's part of the Sugoi. Oh, look at this tree, it's huge. It's got a little sign too. Probably translates to big tree. That's what I would put on it. I'm a man of simple pleasures. Whoa. I didn't see that one coming. Wow. That's very grand. Oh my lord. Oh, look, they are burning something ritually. These are cool.
I know, actually, I've been monitoring the teenagers.
We'll go do that. Except you'll smell like that on the plane. It says big building. What does it say?
Disciples.
See.
16 Riken or Buddhist disciples.
Okay.
5 wisdoms of Buddha.
Great. Basically says big pagoda.
Oh,
That's
there they
nice.
are. There's the disciples.
Where? Where's the disciples? It's got dragons. It's cool. Yeah, I wish I knew more about it. I need like an audio tour. This is that smell we were smelling. What are they burning? It's like sawdust with incense. With incense smells. They're doing a, well, Janelle said it was a fire burning ritual, but maybe it's just a fire ritual. Yeah, what do I know? That's what she said. So. Definitely sounds like something. And there's the fire. It's getting a little bigger. I basically don't know the first thing about anything, but pretty sure that's Shinto or Shintoism.
No,
Dang it, see? Told you.
they don't have a temple.
Oh, they don't.
Spirituality, not a religion. This is Buddha.
See, like I said, don't know the first thing about anything, so
Yes.
proven myself right. It's basically correct about that whole thing that I just.
And these rituals are long. That's why I was like, I'm ready when you are, because this is
Yeah.
5-minute things. It's gonna go on for a while.
So is that Buddhism?
Yeah.
Because some of these buildings are brand new and big, really big. Ooh.
It's interesting because I just went to that Indian wedding, so
Oh.
it's like interesting to see how the cultures kind of like relate to each other because I saw very similar stuff to the wedding I went to.
Ah. Well, let's see what's in here.
But in Hinduism, you're praying to a fire god, and I don't think there's multiple gods in Buddhism, so I'm not sure what the fire represents.
Oh, wow. There's some very shiny abalone shell. It's just like the way the light hits it. That's pretty cool. Alright.
Oh, look at this. So it's a Goma ritual. So it wishes the followers of safety, including safety of family, business success, traffic safety, and expelling evils by offering Goma ritual to main god Fudomio. So it's similar, kind of.
Traffic
Cinder
safety.
smoke of Goma ritual starts to rise early in the morning and never stops every day as many followers visit to pray. So that's what they're doing.
Oh, maybe the smoke is that stuff outside we were looking at.
Yeah, it never stops. And then the official prays afflictions to be burnt out with the holy fire of Fudo's wisdom, wishes by followers to be purified for fulfillment of those wishes.
Let's go that way.
A lot of video games, you get like little blocks that look like bookmarks. Those
Oh,
are amulets.
like this? They kind of look like bookmarks. Are these amulets?
No, the amulets are over there.
Oh.
These ones are just like messages, I think. Or like wishes for good luck.
Wishes for good luck.
Okay.
Interesting. Well, that's
I know a
cool.
little more than you might. I won't say I'm the expert by any
So you
means.
know the second thing about it.
Did you see the bookmark looking things inside? That's what I figured they were, buddy.
That I did not notice. But this is also looks like wishes, probably, right? Or something. Written down, tied up. That's interesting. Or, well, it's actually, they kind of look
This I
like
don't know.
fortune. Oh, what if it's like a fortune from one of those fortune machines? But you tie it on here, then it comes true. Because that's what it looks like. It's the same type of paper. Video game.
That
This
will
is
give
the
you
amulet
strength.
shop,
Yeah.
basically.
Essentially.
I want to increase my mana. Oh, they do look like bookmarks. Oh, and here's some more. Yeah, they do look like bookmarks. Okay. That's cool.
Coins. Yeah, there's the coins. I have some coins.
Like $2. Should get, I don't know, maybe I want one actually. Be a cheap souvenir though.
You give it to that one. I'm gonna use some money more because I heard you're struggling.
Heard you struggling? Because it got you money. Oh, savage.
Sad burn. Wait, I overheard. So Valentine didn't tell anyone he went to.
Well, I don't think I've ever seen a flower as big as your head before. Wait, put your head right there. Okay, that's not a fair comparison. Okay, try that again. It is the size of your head, though. Look at that. It's huge.
Yeah, this is just.
Adam, you feel really great about
I
signs?
love my friends.
That's good. I like the eyebrows. The eyebrows on these lions. They're really nicely made eyebrows. They're like little ram's horns. I think that's my favorite one.